Hey, in front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access Devices settings. In them, click on More Connection Settings and then tap on Bluetooth. Now you need to click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature in order to enable it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, just click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Now you need to wait for the other smartphone to access your pairing request. And now, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, you need to click on this icon next to the device and tap on Unpair. To connect to the same one, just click on it and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!